Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Fortnite crashing in Chapter 7. First, begin with the Epic Games launcher. Open it on your computer and wait for it to load fully. When you reach the main screen, look on the left side and select Library. Find Fortnite in the list and move your mouse over it. You will see three small dots next to the game. Click on those three dots and choose Manage. After that, you will see an option called Verify Files. Click on it. The launcher will now check all your Fortnite files and repair any damaged ones. Next, update your graphic drivers. Out-of-date drivers are a common cause of game crashes. To do this, right-click on the Windows icon on the bottom left of your screen. Select Device Manager from the list. When the window opens, look for Display Adapters. Click the arrow next to it and find your graphics card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If an update is available, allow your computer to install it and restart when it is done. After that, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. A small window will appear. Type %local app data % and press Enter. A folder will open. Look for the folder named Fortnite Game. When you find it, delete it. Do not worry. Fortnite will recreate the folder when you launch the game again. Many users find that these steps fix the problem, but you can also try one more thing. Change your DirectX version from DirectX 11 to DirectX 12 in the game settings. Sometimes changing this option helps the game run more smoothly. Thanks for watching.